Here we are at Hotel Accord, Santa Cruz East, and the Plug in India team is hard at work over here setting up EO chargers.
Apparently, we should connect the router to this guy. Is it possible?
Okay. Hello everyone, this is Lafe from Plug in India, and we are here today at Hotel Accord, Santa Cruz East, and we have something new to show you. No, it's not the E2O. No, it's not the E2O Plus. In fact, it's a charger. It's a charger by a company called EO. And as you can see, the green LEDs are indicating that it's on and it's charging the E2O Plus. EO is a UK based company which has been consulting with Plug in India, and we've been exploring the charging scene in India and making these chargers work. So EO has three models. There's a mini, which is a very small wall mounted switch which will take a type 2 connector. It has a basic model which looks exactly like this, which will again have a type 2 which you will have to have a IEC connector for. And there's a Genius model, which is the one we've got in front of you. The advantage of these chargers are that they make it very safe for you to charge. They disconnect if there's any kind of issue in the electricals, in the wiring, in the power supply itself. The advantage of the Genius charger is it connects to something called a hub. Now the EO hub is the brains of the entire charging system. It connects the charger to the internet. You can connect up to 30 chargers to one hub. The hub requires an internet supply, and it allows you to remotely monitor and bill the people who come and charge from your charger. Something new that Plug in India is trying to come out with in India, a company called EO, which will help us charge not only the Mahindra but also the Tata and the two-wheelers by Tork and whatever else might come out. So we do have an IEC type connector in India, and type 2, which is very popular in the UK, and these accessories and these various connectors would be available with Plug in India along with the EO chargers. So friends, Plug in India is going to be coming out with a lot of interesting products from EO UK. Stay tuned for them on our website and channels. Do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.